Presenting the Kia 2021 Seltos S. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 1.6-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 175 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, all-wheel drive, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic with auto-shift transmission and Bluetooth. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.